Hi traders, it's Anthony here. I want to introduce you to the currency strength indicator. I'll just double click that and open it up. We can include the rest of these and we get that. Double click it and you can see the altcoins here, and Bitcoin is white. If I double click in this space here, we'll pull it up. The strengths of each of these currencies against each other. Sometimes you're going to see movements like this ADA. This is actually ADA, this blue line here. Look at that. And Bitcoin. Powerful. There's your trade. Where you see these crossovers, you've got trade opportunities all over the place. Altcoins. So generally this is good for trading crypto crosses. These guys here like ADA, Bitcoin, Avalanche, Bitcoin, Binance, Bitcoin, or pairs crossed with Ethereum, or these alts crossed. Okay, so that's where this really shines. The other thing it can tell you is the strength of, okay, so this white one here at the top here is Bitcoin. So at the moment, at this point in time here, it's the strongest currency and the rest of them are kind of dropping off. So you buy into strength and you sell into weakness. That's the idea. Look at all these crossovers everywhere. Very powerful indicator. Just a quick introduction. I don't want to spend too much time on this, but wherever you get these crossovers, you're going to have some incredible opportunities. How do we use these with our signals? Well, we've got two types of signals going here. We've got these dots and we've got our triangles. I've been spending a lot of time on the dots lately in my videos. It's all about scalping and counter trend trading the dots. As we move into the new year, I'm going to be spending a lot of time on our triangles. We're going to be looking at trade opportunities with the triangles, something that I haven't covered for a while because I've been focused on the counter trend. So the dots generally give us counter trend and then occasionally give us a trend reversal. Let's just open this up on the 1 hour chart here. Okay, the dots, okay, this dot gave us a trend reversal and these dots are giving us counter trend trades. And then we've got our triangles giving us trend continuation and or trend reversals here. Okay, these two. The triangles also tell us when the market's ranging. So if we get green and red and green and red and green and red, it's a ranging market. A ranging market is the best environment for the dots. Where we get green and green, it's a potential breakout to the upside. Or red followed by red, it's a potential break to the downside. There's a classic example, red breakout here. But just quickly, how does this help us with the dots? We've got Cardano and Bitcoin open here. So let's say we receive a trade alert in our alert log, and it's Cardano and Bitcoin. So we click the alert, we come into the chart, we go into our indicator here, and we just get rid of a few of these things, and we leave ADA and Bitcoin. And then we've got this pair, ADA and Bitcoin, so we can see what's going on. Where we see like a green breakout, for example, here, you see this thing separating. See the trajectory of this green, the blue line here? And we can see that Bitcoin is kind of trending sideways. Well, we buy into strength and we sell into weakness. This crossover actually happened before the alert. Let me show you this. The crossover happened right here. And on a lower time frame, it's going to get you in earlier. There's the crossover. In fact, it was even back further. All right, well, we'll leave it there then. Crossover happened. Look at the trajectory. Look at this. So you can actually set this as an alert. You can right-click it, add alert, Bitcoin, crossing, crypto strength, Ethereum. Just crossing is all you need. Once per bar on this time frame. So anytime it crosses over, there's an alert. Just looking at the trajectory can give us an idea of whether this is a valid signal, buy signal or not. How do we trade the dots with this? The dots are generally a counter trend. Let's reset the chart. Have a look where it's trending. I mean, here's another example here. So you might want to have a rule that says you only take these dots if there's a correlation. So what we're doing is we're going to increase our probability factor. Dot fires We're at the top of this indicator here. Okay, overextended to the upside. We've got 3 lines here as well. Overextended to the upside. We've crossed the line. We're up here. That's your trade. Nice signal. There's a dot, but we don't have the correlation. Leave it alone. There's your dot. There's the correlation. There's your trade. That's another story. Divergence, by the way. Another video. There's a dot. There's the correlation. That's your trade. So this will increase your probability factor quite a bit. There's the dot. There's the correlation. There's your trade. In fact, that could have been your trade. There's your dot. Maybe. Alright, so how close do you want to get to the line? There's a dot. There's your thing. And you get the picture. So that's trading the dot. That's no trade. You leave that alone and it's kind of trending down. Why do you leave it alone? Let's just pull it over here and have a look. On the edge. See this? We don't have the correlation. So you stay out of those. It's not happening. There's no trade. Alright, so you might want to get a little bit strict about the strategy so that you really reduce these steep trends here, where it's kind of tanking and you get overextended signals, but you don't have the correlation. You really want to see the signal closer to this line and you want to see it extend. There's your trade. That's your trade. That's definitely yes. Look at that. Right there. And there it is. That's your trade. Okay, so just quickly, let's just find an example. We've got a break out of the cloud here. Why is that a trade? See how this is trending up here and this one's losing steam? That's your trade. You take it. More on this later. That would have been a nice outcome. Stay tuned. We've got some really exciting changes coming to the indicators shortly over the next week, 2 weeks. We're going to be looking at trading the triangle signals. We'll be using the crypto strength indicator. And I'd like to invite you to join me in this journey. Go over to my website, bit of information here, and definitely jump on board. This absolutely applies. Give it a shot. See where this can take you. It's ridiculously priced at $29.95 a month. Get the indicators, my tutorials, my VIP Telegram channel. I'll be posting daily trade signals, market reports. There's absolutely nothing else on the internet in the crypto space that comes anywhere near this. I would say take this opportunity, try it out, and see what's possible. So with that, guys, I look forward to seeing you in Telegram. Email me, subscribe, give me a thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm, and hit the bell so you're notified of my next videos. With that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next one.